6. I just measured 21 inches of snow, and we're still expecting a few more inches. We have had just an endless amount of snow overnight, and we have also had some trees go down. Check this out, guys. One of my large branches came down because of the weight of the very heavy and wet snow. I mean, this is just nuts. Look at my lawn. This is crazy. Check this out, guys. We're in central New Jersey along the I-95 corridor. We almost never get hammered with this kind of stuff. It's not been happening lately, at least, but we did this time, and it really rocked New Jersey hard. We're going to definitely be digging out for several days, and we also have a couple more snow chances this week, which I'll talk about in the next video. But yeah, guys, just check. This tree is getting ready to give way. This is really bad because this could really hurt someone, including me. I should probably get out of here. Oh my God, guys, look at this. Holy shit. That's my car, guys. Look at this. What are we, trees? What are we on my car? Holy shit.